Hello guys, it's Mornay Steyn speaking, and yeah, my second time coming to Wichita. So yeah, looking forward to working with you guys again, get that rugby gear and everything ready. We're coming there to make a difference and help you guys. So yeah, we're looking forward to have a great time with you. Cheers guys, see you soon. Bye bye.
Wichita boys and girls, it's Gideon here from Rugby School.
How's it boys, Morgan O'Dea here, still from Alliance.
Still at the ULC, and we're looking forward to see you guys in Jan in the camp in Wichita. Hope to see everyone there for the new training camp, and we've got so much more stuff to show you guys in this season. Have a blessed festive season, and have a great holiday.
See you guys soon.
Dit maak nie saak aan wie se kant. Ons almal dra die groen en goud. Dit maak nie saak nie jong of oud. Gebore met 'n rugby hart. Al lyk dit of ons wen